everybody, Gina DeLuca here. All right, today I am going to be doing a straight pour or a cloud pour, whatever you choose to call it, using the Satin Enamels by ColourArte. That is that, in white. Added to the ColourArte, the primary elements, art pigments. I have, the color is Passion and Stargazer. So when you add the satin enamel to the pigments or any paint, it's white. It's white, so it's going to lighten your colors. But the cool thing about the pigments is I can add more pigment and just up the pigment load to make the color deeper. And we have here, for my background color, I've gone with a mixture of the Liquitex Basics Cadmium Yellow Deep Hue and Titanium White. It makes a very pretty, buttery color. So this might come out really pretty. It might look like an Easter egg. Who knows? So let's find out. Let's have an experiment, shall we? Okay, this is a 12 by 12 canvas, and that would be a little over 5 ounces of paint I would need for this. All right, I'm gonna put some paint in this cup first and then put down my base coat. But I want to make sure that I have enough. So I've mixed these paints. I've put in 2 spoonfuls of the pigment in with the mediums I have going on here. 1/2 Polypore and 1/2 Floetrol. And then thinned with my 90% water, 10% Floetrol mixture. Okay. I think I want the pink to go in first. And then the blue. All right, this is more paint than I needed. I could have just gone with probably even 3 ounces might have been enough since I already have a base coat, but let's do it. Okay, let's move this around a bit. Stretch it out, see what's happening. I really want to stretch this blue because I like it a lot. So I want to make sure I am maximizing that. Sadly, I had to drop a lot of that paint off. My measurements were bad today. I think that I'm going to leave this alone. And pray for a good outcome. We shall see what happens. That blue is very pretty, very sparkly. All the colors blended nicely. I'm pleased overall. And I'm gonna scrape my sides here. And I will clean up and bring you in for a close-up. Back in a few. All right, as promised, here is the last painting that I did. I said I would show it dry, and it did dry differently. It got a lot softer around the edges where it got blown, and I actually really like that. It's very pretty, and the sparkle, look at that. How cool is that? It's very, very cool painting. It looks like it's alive. That area, if I can, there you go. Get a little sparkle happening there. It's really difficult to show all of the cool things that are happening here. Oh, there we get some sparkle in the red. But there it is. Very happy with that, how that came out. It is just exciting. It's an exciting piece, but soft somehow. Okay, that's it for this one. And on to the next. Okay, and this has been sitting for a little bit, about 15-20 minutes. And here's what I'm noticing. If you can see right there, it's doing something funky. It looks like it's curdling almost. And I'm sure that's from the Satin Enamel. I'm thinking I may have not mentioned, but I put about an 1/8 of a teaspoon of the Satin Enamel in with that, I guess it was about 1.5 ounces of paint. A little over 1 ounce maybe. I really love how these colors blend together right there. That blue and that pink, or whatever that is, fuchsia-ish. And it's doing that curdling thing right there. So we will see, and there's some more, what happens with this. That's very pretty. I love that blue and how it mixes with these colors. It's a very pretty blue. Okay, well, we will see what happens with this. In the meantime, please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Do check out the description box below for links to my PayPal tip jar if you feel so inclined. If you'd like to help me stay stocked up in supplies, if you find these videos helpful and want me to keep bringing you to fresh content, that is very helpful for me. Also, the Amazon link, if you enter through that link, anything that you purchase off the entire site of Amazon, I make a small commission of at no additional cost to you. My website, GinaDeLuca.net, where you can purchase my art and my music. And go make some art. Our Facebook group, join us over there. Post your masterpieces, ask your questions should you find yourself in a painting pickle. And just get some inspiration. Okay, that's it for me, you guys. I hope you have a beautiful day. I will show this dried piece in the next video. Now go make some art.